Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankar yesterday visited the Shillong Technology Park as a part of his two-day visit to Shillong. Earlier, he visited some of the IT companies which are operating from the park. The Vice President of India was given a detailed presentation by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the intent of the Meghalaya government to make Meghalaya develop by 2032. Speaking on the occasion, the Vice President lauded the presentation and vision of the state government as far as developing the state. He pointed out that Meghalaya has many opportunities, but they can be grabbed through systematic policies.
And the focus is on fundamentals. And those fundamentals are education, health, technology, workspace, skill development, giving people happiness, happiness in music, happiness in sports. Just imagine for Meghalaya to think and be in execution mode for the largest football stadium. Honorable Chief Minister, congratulations. Because this part of our country, the love for football is enormous.
Governor C.H.